Can artificial intelligence fix a bad budget? I'm a warehouse worker, and for the last 30 days, an AI dictated 100% of my spending. No coffee runs, no impulse buys, no, I'll pay it back later logic. I handed the keys to ChatGPT to see if it could break my paycheck to paycheck cycle. My old budget was, well, let's just say it needed help. I was working 45 hours a week and still wondering where the money went. Today, I'm showing you the exact audit results, the 3 things the AI caught that I missed, and the shift-proof Google sheet I used to track it all. Here was the experiment. I uploaded 3 months of my bank statements. I told the AI, I work a warehouse shift. My income varies with overtime. Find the leaks. The results were embarrassing. ChatGPT flagged micro leaks. Those $5 to $10 charges that feel like nothing but add up to $200 a month. It caught a gym membership I haven't used since 2024 and a streaming service I didn't even know I was paying for. But the biggest thing it caught? The night shift premium trap. I was spending my OT pay before it even hit my account. We see that extra money and think it's a bonus, but the AI saw it as a liability because I wasn't accounting for the tax hit. Most budget templates are built for people with 9 to 5 salaries. They assume you know exactly what's coming in. But in the warehouse, we have light weeks and OT weeks. If you plan for 40 hours and get 32, you're in the hole. If you get 50, you blow the extra. That's why I built the shift-proof system. It's a Google sheet that acts like a financial foreman. It looks at your lowest possible paycheck first and builds the survival plan from there. Anything else is just leverage. Look at this overtime buffer cell. When you work 50 hours, the AI told me to put 100% of that extra pay here, not into your checking account. This acts as your light week insurance. If next week is only 36 hours, you pull from the buffer. You're finally paying yourself a consistent salary, regardless of what the schedule says. You stop being a victim of the customer first scheduling and start being the boss of your own capital. This is how you build a safety net when the system is designed to keep you on the edge. If you're tired of living shift to shift, hit that subscribe button. I'm doing these AI interventions for HVAC, trucking, and warehouse roles every week. We're building a community of blue-collar workers who refuse to stay broke. Now let's look at the day 30 results. The answer to can AI fix a budget is more complicated than you think. It didn't give me more money, it just stopped the bleeding. I had to face the reality of my exhaustion spending. Those late night truck stop runs were costing me a week's worth of groceries every month. After 30 days, I had $450 left over. That's an emergency fund I didn't have 4 weeks ago. That's the difference between a car repair being a crisis or just an inconvenience. It didn't take a raise, it took an audit. But it wasn't perfect. Let's just say its idea of a frugal fun night was interesting. It suggested I spend my Saturday night organizing my digital files for fun. AI is a tool, not a miracle worker. It doesn't understand the physical exhaustion of a 10-hour shift. You still have to do the work. The AI can point to the leak, but you're the one who has to plug it. It's about taking the job you have and making it work for you. Leverage the tools, stacking the skills, and protecting your paycheck like it's your life, because it is. If you want to do this tonight, step 1 is the audit. Don't guess. Export your last 90 days. Most of us are afraid to look at the numbers, but the numbers are where your freedom is hidden. I let the AI categorize everything into 3 buckets: bills, living, and future. Step 2 is the cut. Be aggressive. If you haven't used it in 30 days, kill the subscription. If you're spending more than 10% of your take-home on discretionary stuff while you're in debt, you're paying interest on your own convenience. AI found $142 for me. What will it find for you? Step 3 is the buffer. This is the most important part for frontline workers. We can't rely on overtime being there forever. Build that safety net when times are good so you don't have to rely on payday loans or credit cards when the hours get cut. It's about certainty in an uncertain schedule. I call this the variable income matrix. It's a mental shift. You stop seeing your paycheck as one big pile of money and start seeing it as units of freedom. Every dollar assigned to the future bucket is a minute you don't have to work when you're 60. That's the real payoff. I've seen this work for others too. Look at Sarah, a single mom working retail. She used this exact system to find $300 a month in financial leaks. In 1 year, she saved $10,000 just by using community leverage and strict budgeting. It's possible if you have the right blueprint. The intelligence trap is thinking that wealth is only built through more labor. Labor is just the starting point. Wealth is built through leverage. AI is the ultimate leverage for the working class. It's a financial defense system that optimizes your capital while you're focused on the job. Use it. If you want this exact Google Sheets budget template, the link is in the description. It's built specifically for us, frontline workers who know the value of a hard-earned dollar. It's free because I want us all to win. Stop building their dream and start building your own. Comment scissor money below, and I'll share the exact prompts I used to set this up so you can audit your own paycheck tonight. Drop your trade in the comments, and I'll give you a custom AI prompt for your role. Subscribe for more blue-collar financial survival. We talk about community leverage for a reason. Carpooling, shared childcare, scrub swaps. These aren't just tips, they are survival strategies. When we combine our resources, we lower our individual floor. That's more capital for your future bucket. It's free to like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in the next shift. Remember, the true limit isn't your balance, it's what's left after you've assigned every dollar a job. We're breaking the cycle together. This is about more than just numbers. This is about your time, your family, and your freedom. Don't let another shift go by without a plan. You care for everyone else. Now it's time to care for your financial future. This is Scissor Money. See you on the floor.